Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
Firstly, we are going to start with how can we increase our likes, means how can we boost our likes. Now, how can we tell people to like our page? So the first thing is that we can invite people to like our page. Now you can invite your friends, you can invite the people you are liking the post. The people who are liking the post, you can invite them to like your page. And let me tell you one thing, when anyone likes your page, they automatically become your followers of your page. So when anyone likes your page, they start following you. But if anyone starts following you, that doesn't mean that they are liking your page. So if anyone is liking your page, that does two work for us. That is, firstly liking a page and secondly following a page. Now, so it is very necessary that we boost our likes. Now, how are we going to do that thing? Firstly, when you have created your page, then what you need to do is you will get an option over here, that is invite friends to like your page. Now what all you need to do is click on this invite button and they will be given a notification. They will receive a notification here and they'll be notified to like up your page. And the second thing which you can do is, when anyone likes your post, okay, you can just go in inside. See, on the left hand side you have an inside column, you have an inside option. You have to go in inside and you can see up that which post have been liked much, like which post is the post that your followers, people, audience are showing interest in. You can create such kind of posts so that you boost your likes. And the third thing which you can do is go in every post and see the people who have liked your post. When you click on that likes, you will get again a invite option. And if it is written invited, means already they have liked your page. So what you need to do is, you have to firstly see when you'll go onto your page, you will get the option of inviting your friends. You have to invite all your friends from here. Then when anyone is liking your post, you have to send them an invite option. What you need to do is go in that post. When you click on that like, you'll get a list of all the people who have liked your post and you will see an invite option at the side. At the right side, you will see beside their name, you'll get an option of invite. What you need to do is just click on that invite option so that they'll get a notification to invite to your page. And they'll also feel good that someone personally is sending me a invite option to invite to like up their page. So it creates a personal bond, as well as it helps you to boost up your likes. So in this way you can boost up your likes. So what you need to do is, firstly invite your friends, then in insights, that is in the left hand side, you have an option of inside. You have to see which post have been liked much, which post has the maximum number of likes, and see which type of post it is and try to create that kind of post only. And the third thing what you can do is go in all the posts and see which people have liked the post and send them a invite option. Send them a invite to like up your page. So they'll receive a notification, and when they receive a notification, they will do so. So in this way we can boost up our likes.